Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. We are back in the garage again with the charger. Notice a little bit of paint chipping right here on these side panels on the passenger side. So Ali was able to find some replacement panels on Amazon. This is really just like a peel and stick type of thing. These are glossy black. I'm not sure if they come in a matte black, which would be what comes stock on the car, but based on the pictures we saw, it still gave it a decent look overall, and it didn't look tacky or anything like that. So I'm really excited to get these on because I'm not paint chipping. Ain't nobody got time for that. So without further ado, let's go ahead and pop these on. All right, you guys, so we are ready to apply our strips to here. Let me show y'all what I'm going to be using. First of all, I have just some plain rubbing alcohol and a microfiber towel, and I'm just going to use this because the car is dirty. So I'm just going to use this to clean the surface off before I stick the adhesive on there. And then I also highly recommend going through and sorting out your adhesives first, because each of these is specifically designed to fit one of the pillars. So for example, if I was to switch up these two, it's not going to line up. See how this one is too tall, this one is too short, and the angles just ain't right. So each of these is specifically designed to fit a specific panel. Also worth noting, it's actually a really good fit. However, you will want to make sure that it's centered, because if you put it right flush up against the end, you will have maybe like a 1/4 of an inch or so at the bottom that is still showing. I don't think y'all can see this on camera, but there's just a little slither. So this is where the end of the decal is, and this is where the end of the pillar is. So there is just a little bit of a difference there. It's just about spot on at the top, but again, just make sure you center it. But I don't think that that's really going to be very noticeable. Okay, y'all, and the last thing that I'll mention about the decals, which I actually just learned this. So you see it is like a little glossy. There is actually a protective film on the black side as well. So after you get these applied, you'll want to peel off this protective film as well. But obviously I'm going to save that for last because I don't want to scratch up this decal. So without further ado, we're going to start by cleaning off this pillar, because this is the one that we're going to start with, and let's hope for the best. There's a big bottle of alcohol right there. Let's pour a little bit up there. I'm gonna let that dry for a second. All right, so now that it is dry, I'm gonna go ahead and peel off the brown paper backing, or is that brown? Tan? I don't know what color it is. We're gonna go ahead and peel that off. All right, and I'm gonna line up the decal and stick it right on. Y'all, I don't know how to make this work. So I'm not good at stuff like this. All right, that's it. All right, so we got the first one on there, and now I'm just pressing it on there, make sure it's on there good. And now I'm gonna move on to the next one. Start by cleaning the pillar. Same thing. All right, that's two. That's two down, y'all. Two down. And now that I got these two up here, I'm gonna go ahead and peel this away so we can reveal the shiny. Okay, reveal the shiny. All right. Y'all see that? Not too bad, y'all. Not too bad. I ain't gonna hit that one because I don't want to scratch it up. All right, y'all. All right, let me show y'all one more. The little teeny one in the back. We'll look at the little teeny one in the back here. Right, so here's the baby. Just like this. And oh, look how shiny that is. That's crazy. Yes. Here's the two on the front. And honestly, it really don't look much different. This is glossy black, whereas the rest of the panel is like a matte black. But you really can't tell the difference. I'm interested to see what it'll look like when we get it out in the sunlight, but it looks really good. Now you can see my chip paint, and so I'm really appreciative. Shout out to Ali for ordering this for me. I'm very, very happy and thankful with the way that it turned out. Let's go take a look at the other side because I already did the other side, y'all. In case anybody want to know why I have this sticker here, this is to support and promote autism awareness. All right, y'all. So that's it. Y'all let me know what y'all think about these little adhesive strips here for the pillar, especially if you are somebody who is dealing with some chip paint or rust or any other imperfection. This might be beneficial for you. All right, y'all, so it is next day, and I wanted to pull it out of the garage so you guys could see it outside in the sunlight. They look really good. And like I said, you really can't even tell that these are glossy black and this is not glossy black, but honestly I think it looks really good. I hope y'all can't see me in the reflection because I look a mess. Look at my neighbor. What you looking at? She's looking at Steve. Y'all, what if Steve watched my YouTube channel and see every time I be like, what you looking at? Anyway, yeah, it looks really good. Let me show y'all the other side. Don't be down there talking about me. Don't be down there talking about me. I don't like that. Here's the other side. They look amazing, y'all. You cannot see my chip paint no more, okay? No more chip paint. So yeah, if y'all was struggling with chip paint, or it's just, you know, the color may be fading, or any type of imperfection and you want something to cover it up, these are a really good and inexpensive option. Again, we got them on Amazon. We'll post a link for y'all in the description. Make sure y'all give this video a thumbs up, please. Hit that subscribe button. I don't know what you're doing if you're not already subscribed to this channel. We even had this channel since about 2021, and if you're not subscribed yet, you are seriously missing out. So please click that subscribe button so you could be in the know. Click that notification bell so that you'll get a notification every time we post a new video. Leave us a comment or 2 or 3. Thank you for watching, and as always, thank you guys so much for your support. We'll see y'all on the next video. It's cold out here. Look at Ali. Think he cute. What you looking at?